are. A lot of oil work here. But put the boys back in their truck. And Barkley, look at this. This is one of the best trained dogs ever as far as being a road dog. He knows what he has to do to get up in here. But I got to use 2 hands to grab him. So we're going to just do this right now. Oh. And 1, 2, 3, he's in there. Now Jordan, on the other hand, he's a little bit more of a... Oh, he actually jumped up this time. He was on camera, yes. So, yeah. Let's just get a little... Here he is right here, like, "Aw, Dad, are you going to come in here or what?" So, they're all up inside there. We'll do another walk around the truck. One last time. You got the APU running. That's a Thermo King. We just got installed up in there. And, yeah, it's a beautiful trailer. We have another one on order, but we're not going to get it till 2023. There are no 2022 coming in stock like this, which is crazy. But yeah, we did the whole little skull thing on here. I decided not. I had skulls on the other ones right here, but I decided to just keep it clean this time. And everyone loves the skull. You know, you've got the crossbone skulls right here. It's pretty cool looking. Got it all lit up with the LEDs. Got the LEDs up on the top there too. It has a good effect on there. Those are those Maxim lights. So you guys trying to upgrade, you know, do a little something different with the license plate here. Got the skulls going on there and everything like that. But I actually like the new lights that they put on here. You can actually see them from both the front and back. They have glow, so you can see them both ways, not just on the sides, but also on the front and the back of them. So that's another good effect we have going on. But overall, it's probably my best trailer I've had made. I want to thank Kansas City Peterbilt for putting this one together for me. We had a really, really good rep over there. He definitely took care of me. Got everything done. Oh yeah, we got this little effect on here. You know, a little more skulls and stuff like that. There's our logo. Right. So yeah, it's always a work in progress, and you know, we've been working on this for a long time, and now we're actually ready to go on to our next chapter, and that's going to be getting into flatbedding. And we got a really good partner that we're going to be getting with. His name is Johnny, and he's going to guide us our way. So I think there's going to be a lot more money involved. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be running these really nice dry vans. We'll still have them available, but they're going to probably sit in for a while. Might do some drop and hooks and stuff like that, and then get paid for the trailer sitting there for a while. But flatbedding right now, I mean, the per mile, what they're going to, I mean, I don't know anything about flatbedding. I'm going to be a total newbie, and I'm hoping that Johnny can, you know, guide me along the way and, you know, show me how to do all this kind of stuff, because I've always wanted to do it. It's interesting. I like the cargo that you're hauling. And, yeah, if we can find a way to do it and make money on it, might be a real good thing. So, with that, I'm going to end this video. I just want to thank the Lord for all the success and all He has provided me. And, it's just been a really good year. 2021 is definitely a memorable one. Definitely will hold this close to my heart with this one. Many times in trucking, I've almost lost it all, and finally I'm reaping some of all the times that, you know, we almost lost it. Now we're coming to the time where this is what sacrifice meant, you know. You have no idea. You know, we lost our business almost 10 times. We've had to sell, pawn, do so many things. It is the most unthinkable things to do to keep this business afloat. People have told me, just walk away, throw your ring in, you just walk away, go bankrupt, you know. But no, we stuck through it, and we're stronger for it. And I'm hoping we'll never look back, because if this becomes one of those success stories that where you have somebody that put it all on the line and had everybody telling them, you're not going to do it, you can't make money in trucking, trucking is the worst thing you can do, don't become an owner operator, you know, when things got real tough, we blew engines and stuff like that, we were on the sidelines and everything like that. Thank God I had my mom. You know, Mom, God bless you. You did help me become successful in this business. I'm always forever in your debt for doing that. And you helped me along the way, and you told me to pull the trigger to get a brand new truck, and it was probably one of the best things that I ever could have done. And I owe you a ton of gratitude, and more than money can ever reward you with. So I will thank my mom for that. My wife, who has put her inheritance all on the line, has helped us so many times. I mean, without all that help, and, you know, along the lines, and I mean, my wife has basically ran this business, and, you know, she's the majority owner, and she has just I mean, everything that I owe to this business and the success of this business is really due to my wife. I mean, she is the anchor here. Yeah, I work, I do all the stuff, I do the work, you know what I mean, but she's at the home office, and she's doing all the stuff back home, and without her, this business would be nothing. So, Christy, I thank you, I love you, and you're the greatest ever wife that a trucking man could ever have. So yeah, I love you, and that's sincere from the bottom of my heart. And also the boys, they definitely what is this guy doing? And there's a happy face. Now that's a happy face. He's got a bone in his mouth. But anyways, all seriously, so yeah, these are just one of those videos I'm randomly taking here up in Georgia. We're in Cordell, Georgia, and I'll look back at one of these videos and just everything is going right now, and there's so many things to be thankful for. And we're in a very, very messed up society here with Joe Biden being our president. So, I hope we make it through it. I hope we have enough money on the side to support, to go through some very trying times. I have no idea what the future might hold. And I am very thankful right now. This is October 2021. And I really appreciate everything my family has done, support, and provided me through all these years of trucking. And for my daughter Brianna, she's missed out on a lot. I love her. She knows what I go through, but she's very understanding. And it's not fair for her not to have a father there for months on a time. And we did everything we had to do to sacrifice to make sure that the bills were paid. And I owe her a ton of gratitude. And I thank you, Brianna, for being understanding and still loving your daddy for everything that I've done. Yeah, this is a heavy one, man. This is just getting down to the real heart and core of what it takes to be a successful trucking operation here in the United States of America, the best place in the entire world. You know, I don't understand what happened, man. I mean, we are America. America, dude. The United States of America. Everybody wants to come here. Everything about America is great. But the past couple, I don't know, like the last year, everybody's telling us that, yeah, America's not great. And we should be disgusted with everything about America. We should tear down statues. We should be ashamed of past presidents. It's, I don't know what happened. I mean, we are strong. We have backbone. And I think the trucking community might get together and really realize that we are about change and we are the power. You know, without us, America is nothing. So just remember that. You're not going to get any of your stuff ever delivered without truckers. You know, you can say what you want about truckers, but the bottom line is we are the ones that provide. We will run in every weather, every type of condition, no matter what. We will get that cargo delivered. So there's not much else to say, but I will thank God for everything He has provided me and my family and all my fellow truckers out there, for everything that He has done now and into the future, forever. Amen.